Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2008 Yamaha XT250, and today I'll show you how to change the air filter. Yamaha recommends replacing the air filter every 12,000 miles at minimum, but says the air filter should be checked every 3,000 miles and replaced if necessary. The previous owner didn't care for this bike very well, so I'm just hoping it has an air filter. This is a really quick and simple job, so let's get to it. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Impact driver, 10mm socket, and a Phillips number 3. For this job I also needed a rag, an air compressor, and a new air filter. There are links in the description for everything I used. I'll start by removing the two 10mm bolts under the rear edge of the seat. Like the rest of this bike, the airbox cover is filthy, so I wiped it off and blew away the debris with an air compressor. Remove the two screws and pull off the cover. Pull back slightly and lift the filter from the airbox. This filter doesn't look too bad, but I don't know how old it is, so I'm going to replace it anyway. The airbox cover only fits one way. The front of the seat hooks under the tank here. Then secure the rear with its two bolts. I've made a lot of videos with this bike, and I've got more on the way, so check out my channel before you go. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.